Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Patriot Awning channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects not only our business but also the broader manufacturing industry. The new tariffs on Canadian aluminum and how they might impact the price of aluminum for companies like ours. Before we get started, we wanted to make one thing very clear. Patriot Awning does not take any political stance on this issue. We have long maintained our apolitical stance as a company and neither endorse nor oppose any candidates or political ideology. The only cause we have supported along the way is helping veterans in need. Our goal is to simply provide information and help our customers, partners, and our community understand how these changes might affect our industry. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about why Canadian aluminum is so important to us. As an awning manufacturer based in Charlotte, North Carolina, we rely heavily on high-quality raw materials to produce durable, long-lasting products for our customers. A significant portion of the aluminum we use is imported from Canada, which has long been one of the largest suppliers of aluminum to the United States. Canada and the U.S. have a long-standing trade relationship, especially when it comes to metals like aluminum. However, recent changes in tariffs, taxes on imported goods are shaking things up. So what exactly are tariffs and how do they work? Tariffs are essentially taxes imposed on goods imported from another country. When tariffs are increased, the cost of importing these goods goes up. For businesses like ours that rely heavily on imported materials, this can lead to higher production costs. The new tariffs on Canadian aluminum mean that the price we pay for raw material could increase. And while we're always looking for ways to keep our costs down, these changes could have a ripple effect across the entire supply chain. So here's how it works. When the cost of raw aluminum goes up, manufacturers like us have to decide how to absorb these additional expenses. In some cases, businesses may need to adjust their pricing to reflect the higher costs of materials. At Patriot Awning, we're committed to providing the best value for our customers, so we're exploring all options to minimize the impact of these changes. This includes looking at ways to optimize our production processes, sourcing materials more efficiently, and working closely with our suppliers to find solutions. One thing that won't change is our commitment to quality. No matter the challenges that come our way, we'll continue to deliver the same durable, reliable awnings that our customers have come to expect from Patriot Awning. We also want to assure you that we're keeping a close eye on these developments and we'll keep you updated as we learn more. Our goal is to be as transparent as possible so that you can make informed decisions for your home or business. And thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you have any questions about how these changes may affect your upcoming awning project, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're here to help. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Patriot Awning. Until next time, stay cool under the shade and we'll see you soon.
Ring a ding ding!